Hello everyone, and welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the magical world of Aladdin as we review the men's Aladdin costume. If you've ever dreamt of stepping into the shoes of a legendary prince, this costume promises to make your wish come true. But does it live up to the magic? Let's find out. As you can see, we have the costume right here. It truly captures the essence of Aladdin's iconic look. The vest in particular is a standout piece, offering an impeccable fit that's sure to impress. Look at the intricate details. The sequin braid trim adds that touch of royalty and a bit of sparkle. Now, let's talk about the pants. They're comfortable, but some may find them a bit bulky. However, remember that costumes often benefit from a bit of personalization. The belt. It's an essential part of Aladdin's attire, but it can be a bit tricky to tie and keep in place. Some users have found creative solutions like using a safety pin. But don't just take our word for it. A customer review mentioned that the vest fits great, and the pants, though bulky, can be adjusted to your liking. They also noted that the belt posed a challenge, but acknowledged that with a bit of creativity, it can be managed. Remember to find the product link in the description and comment box. The men's Aladdin costume is your ticket to an enchanting adventure. It captures Aladdin's allure, though it may require a touch of personalization to make it truly your own. Remember, the real magic of costumes lies in the journey you take with them. So embrace your inner Aladdin, explore the world of Arabian Nights, and make this costume a canvas for your creativity. Remember to find the product link in the description and comment box. If you've enjoyed this review and want to see more exciting content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We've got a lot more costume reviews and fun adventures coming your way. Remember to find the product link in the description and comment box. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey today. Until next time, stay enchanted and may all your wishes come true.